Hello everyone. Today we will understand even numbers using finger trick. So first of all, let us understand what are even numbers. Even numbers are the numbers that can be divided into groups of 2. Or in the simple language, we can say those numbers that come in the table of 2 are called as even numbers. Like 36, 48, 94. We can also say the numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are called as even numbers. But let us just simplify this theory using the trick called finger trick, which means that we will use finger rule to understand even numbers. Now, what do we do in this? Look at the last digit of the number. Whatever number is given to you, say 3954. Suppose this number is given to you. Look at the last digit of this number. Now, after having this number, make groups of 2 fingers and we will check that how many fingers are left. Let us understand this using an example. Suppose I have a number, say 95436. Now it is a 5-digit number and I want to see whether this is even number or it is an odd number. What do? We look at the last digit. Now when we look at the last digit is number 6. Now we divide number 6 in different groups of 2. Open 6 fingers and divide, take groups of 2. So when we look at this, we make groups of 2. So this is one group of 2, then this is the second group of 2 and this is a third group of 2. So how many groups of 2 are there? 3 groups of 2. And how many fingers are left? 0 fingers are left. No finger is left. Since no finger is left, then we can say that the number is an even number. So very simple concept that first of all, whatever is the last digit of the number, open those many fingers. See if you can form groups of 2 and how many groups of 2 you can form. Now, after forming groups of 2, if one finger is left, then the number is not an even number. And if no finger is left, then the number is an even number. Let us take another example. If I have a number with last digit as 8. So let us write down an example 39547. Now here it is a 6-digit number. 6-digit number. Now we need to find whether it is an even number or not. Look at the last digit 8. Open 8 fingers, make groups of 2. This is one group of 2. This is second group of 2. There is a finger here. There is a finger here. So this forms group of 2. This is third group of 2. And then we have 4 groups of 2. There are 4 groups of 2. No finger is left. Hence, what can we find? What can we say? That the number is even. Now, using this concept, try some more examples with say the last digit as 6, like 39436. Now take an example 77474 with last digit as 4 and then try and see whether these numbers come out to be even or not. I hope the concept is clear of even numbers using these examples using the finger trick. Also, this is very easy to understand for a child who is in grade 1 also. Try this. Thank you.